Hello and welcome to my online digital academy. My name is Mohammed Waseem and it's a continuous video of addition and subtraction, chapter number 2 of Enjoying Mathematics by Shlata Badami from an Oxford book. In this video, we will solve the word problems of exercise 2H. But what is the purpose of this exercise to solve more word problems? The purpose of this exercise is to teach children to focus on the information that is required or important to solve the question. Because in this exercise, you will see other information to just confuse or trick the question. So let's start with exercise 2H. Exercise 2H, solve, use only the information you need. Question number 1. In a word game, Ananya scored 231 points, Abhishek scored 147 points, and Apurva scored 204 points. How many more points did Ananya score than Apurva? What information we need to focus on? So we need to focus on Ananya's score, which is 231 points, and the Apurva score, which is 204 points. What is the nature of this question is, how many more points did Ananya score than Apurva? So we are comparing the score of Ananya and Apurva. So when we are comparing two numbers, we will do the subtraction. So let's solve this question. So we will focus on Ananya and Apurva's scores. Ananya scored 231 points and Apurva scores 204 points. We need to compare two scores. So we will do the subtraction as we do. We cannot subtract 4 from a 1. So we will borrow 1 from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this one will become 11. 11 minus 4, 7 and 2 minus 0, 2. So Ananya scored 27 more points than Apurva. Let's move to the question number 2. Question number 2. The painters of 25 buildings have to complete the work in 30 days. They need 423 cans of white paint and 678 cans of red paint. How many cans of paint do they need in all? So what is the information we need to focus on? 423 cans of white paint and 678 cans of red paint. And what is the nature of this question is, how many cans of paint do they need in all? So that signal word is here, in all. So we will do the addition. So let's solve the question. Number of cans of white paint, 423. Number of cans of red paint, 678. Now we will do the addition as we do. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 0, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. So the answer is 1101. So the painters need 1101 cans of paint in all. Question number 3. For a wedding that was to be attended by 750 people, the decorators used 795 red roses and 670 white lilies. How many flowers did they use for the decoration? So what is the information we need to focus on? 795 red roses and 670 white lilies. So what is the nature of this question is, how many flowers did they use for the decoration? So let's solve the question number 3. The number of red roses used, 795. Number of white lilies used, 670. How many flowers did they use for decoration? So the nature of the question is addition. Now we will do the addition as we do. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 7, 16. 6, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 1465 is your answer. So 1465 total flowers they used for decoration. Question number 4. Class 4 had 300 tickets to sell for the school fete. They sold 67 tickets in 1 week and twice that number in the next week. How many tickets did they sell in both weeks? So what is the information we need to focus on? 67 tickets in 1 week and twice that number in the next week. So let's solve the question number 4. Tickets sold in 1 week, 67. Tickets sold in next week, that is twice that number. So 2 multiplied by 67. 2 sevens are 14. 4, 1 will be carry. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 134 tickets sold in next week. Now how many tickets did they sell in both the weeks? Total tickets sold 134 plus 67. We will do the linear addition. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 will be carry. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So the total tickets sold in both the weeks, 201. Question number 5. Anju had a 500 rupees. He first spent 142 on an ice cream for himself and his friends. Later he bought a packet of chips for 20 rupees. How much change did he get when he bought the ice cream? So what is the information we need to focus on? He had 500 rupees and he spent 142 rupees on an ice cream for himself and his friend. What is the nature of this question is, how much change did he get when he bought the ice cream? So we will do the subtraction. Let's solve the question number 5. Anju had money of 500 rupees. He bought the ice cream of rupees 142. How much change did he get when he bought the ice cream? So we will do the subtraction. As we do, we cannot subtract 2 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Now we will borrow 1 from 10. So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. So Anju got 358 rupees as change. So this is the end of exercise of 2H, and we'll do the next exercise 2I in the next video. If you found this video informative and helpful, it is requested to subscribe, like, and share to grow my online academy.